Okay, let me cover this also. So I'll release a ball from a height h. It will collide inelastically. Let E be between 0 and 1. So first it will come and collide. So let it collide with a speed u. Then it will rebound. With a speed v1. Then as there is inelastic collision, it will not rebound to same height. Then again it will approach. Then one more impact occurs. Like this, if this sequence continues, can we write any generalized formulas? That's what I'm trying to. What happened to height ascended? It keeps on decreases, no? I'm giving some. So let's come for this one. So it has, and anything directed upward, let it be positive. No, directly just now we learned. No? So what is u? U should be equal to root of 2gh because it is released from rest, dropped from rest. U should be equal to root of 2gh. Then what is the rebound speed? Rebound speed should be v1 equal to e into u. Then it will ascend an height h1. Then it will ascend height h2. Then h3. h4. Like that, some n collisions will occur. Can we generalize any formulas? So what is V1? V1 equal to EU. So what should be the V2? V2 should be equal to, now in terms of, so for first we'll write all the formulas. So V2, what we can write? E into V1, or this will become E square U. V3 will be E into V2. So this will become E cube U. Can we generalize for n collisions? E nu. Similarly, what about the height ascended? So what is H1? H1 equal to V square by 2G. What is V1? V1 will be E square U U by 2G. So this should be E square U square by 2G. So what is U square by 2G? Should be H. Shall I write H1 in terms of H? Similarly, what is H2? H2 should be equal to E square H1, or this will become E to power of 4H. H3 equal to E square H2. E square H, and what is H2? So this will be E6 into H. So any generalization here, Hn should be equal to E to power of 2n H here. Some good numericals are there, just based on this basic information. So what is the height ascended after nth impact, or what is the speed after nth impact? So these are the generalized formulas. So then for 4 collisions, what is the distance covered? Suppose I dropped here h, then 2h. This is the first collision, no? This is the second collision, this is the third collision, this is the fourth collision. Till fourth collision, what the distance code means? H plus 2h1 plus 2h2 plus 2h3. Like that, the distance covered information they'll give, they'll ask you some conditions. And the value of E, we are discussing. If E equal to 0, it will not rebound. It'll get stuck to it. These are some. So some problems are there related to this. Please do work out few. It'll be much easier for you. Now, what will happen if, okay, tomorrow I'll discuss problems few. Platform accelerating, moving, that one. Let me introduce the idea of impulse. already we have impulse idea. Can you